Hello everyone, welcome to ALM. ALM specializes in lead screw manufacturing for more than 20 years in China. Our miniature lead screw diameter from 3.5 mm to 10 mm. This lead screw diameter is 5 mm. Popular lead are 1 mm, 2 mm, 4 mm, 2.54 mm, 5.08 mm, 12.7 mm, 8 mm. And the lead screw material is stainless steel. The lead screw surface coating is molybdenum disulfide, can be self-lubrication. If you like a linear transmission that does not require lubrication, it's a good option. A nut is made of PEEK, which has excellent chemical resistance, mechanical strength, and stability. You can also get brass, POM, and bronze nut material from us. Lead screw shaft end and nut shape can be produced according to your requirement. Welcome to inquiry.